Often I'm asked, what is a 51A report? In Massachusetts, regarding the Department of Children and Families, a child abuse report or neglect is filed called a 51A. It's named after the chapter and statute law for the 51A. In other words, under Mass General Laws, Chapter 119, Section 51A, that's the statute requires a mandated, non-mandated, or an anonymous person to file with DCF a report of child abuse. That's a bunch of legalese, mumbo-jumbo. But just remember that the 51A is a child abuse, neglect, or abuse report. Now, how does that happen? A mandated, non-mandated, or anonymous person calls DCF orally over the phone. A mandated reporter must follow it up with a written report. Then DCF, in the screening process, where they either screen the report in and it goes to an investigation for non-emergency or emergency, depending on the condition of the child. So what they want to do is, DCF wants to get information, and the screeners will call the reporter and get information about the condition of the child, the circumstances surrounding the alleged allegations of abuse and neglect, as well as the person responsible for this abuse and neglect. And then they have a screening process where they also will call the child's possible pediatrician, the teachers, the school, the principal. They may even run a query on the parents usually, or the person being alleged to have abused the child. They also run the child and the parents to see if there's any DCF background history. So DCF will do whatever they can to get as much information as they can to make that 51A report as complete as possible in their determination to try and see whether that report should be screened in for investigation, or hopefully a happy ending being screened out and the case not going